Hello everyone, today we have a 2016 Ford F-150 Super Crew with the XLT package. Has a 5-liter V8. This vehicle also has a clean title. And it's sounding smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. So it does have tow hooks up front. The light bar across the top. Painted alloy wheels, adjustable suspension, 4-wheel drive, the tow package, mud flaps, toolbox, and see it does have a plastic bed liner, fixed running boards. See, it does have gray fabric seats, 12-volt power there. You see, it's got a ton of space. Got your keypad entry. And here's the VIN right here, and I will upload some still photos as well. Okay, and as you look down here, you'll see that it has 170,635 miles on this vehicle, and then you've got your cruise controls, your trip computer toggles, and then you have your stereo controls. Okay, you got your push to talk, and your key fob is there in the ignition. And then up here you have your adjustments. I'll go ahead and try to get that in there. You have your adjustments for your adjustable lift. And so down here you'll see that your screen is damaged, but it actually works really well as long as you just use Bluetooth or the stereo. And then you come down here, you got a 12-volt outlet, other stereo controls that are manual. You got comfort controls, a USB, and then you've got another 12-volt power outlet down there. Then you got cup holders, and this is for stowage, and then that can also fold up so you can seat 6. Glove compartment, and your upfitter bank is missing. It's easily replaceable. So I'll go ahead and pop out. As I mentioned, this vehicle does have a clean title. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.